Hello everyone, and as usual, thank you for coming to my channel and watching my video. I appreciate it as always. Make sure you tell your friends and your family members about my video, especially if you enjoy what you see, and especially if you make it yourself, and I definitely want to know if you do that. And we'll talk more about that later on, joining my Facebook page and so on and so forth. I like to see some of your designs, and I like to share my, designs, and we can just make it grow from there. So again, thank you for coming to my YouTube channel, Christina's Favorite Bracelets. And please do not forget to go to christinasfavoritebracelets.myshopify.com. Sign up for the email, subscribe. Don't just put your emailing address there, but make sure that you also subscribe, because that makes a big deal. And if subscribe to the YouTube channel. And when you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and every time you see my video, make sure that you press the like button. And if you want to keep up to date to the videos that I make, when you press the notification button, make sure you press all. So anytime I come out with something that's new, you'll catch it right away. And when you do that, trust what I'm saying. I appreciate it a great deal. And so we're just going to get into it. But before that, I do want to apologize for the delay of videos. I can't believe that in this late stage of the game, I developed allergies. I have never had allergies before in my life. So for about a week and a half, I was coughing. The eyes were swelled up or tearing. And it was just absolutely positively horrible. And I discovered allergy medication only because it gives me heart palpitations, and I end up going to the emergency room. So I just have to learn, I guess, like everyone else, to endure it until it goes away. And so for those of you that have had allergies for years, I feel sorry for you, and I hate to be going through this. So anyway, that was the delay, and I just wanted to explain that. So thank you once again for joining the channel. Let's get started. As you know, I always have my little bead reamer, and I always call it my pointer. And we're going to be using wire cutters, and we're going to be using the round nose plier, and we're going to be using the flush cutter, and we're going to be using the needle nose, the long one, and I have two small needle nose pliers, and we'll be using that also. And as you can see, what I have here are two fish hook stainless steel ear wire. I have a 15 millimeter jump ring. I have a large silver lobster claw clasp, and this is a gold tone one. You know I like to mix things up. And as you can see, I also have here a 4-leaf clover crystal glass bead. And I'm gonna tell you, this is really beautiful. I like it. You're gonna see what we're going to make with this. This is a little over an inch copper aluminum wire. We will be using 6 millimeter jump rings for our project. And I have here again, the name of this chain is the Dainty D-A-I-N-T-Y chain. And I have 8 links, and I have it for a reason. When you do your project, if you like to use more or less, it's entirely up to you. I have 6 millimeter jump rings, and I have a number of jump rings over here. I have 15 over here. For this project, I'm going to show you, and of course I have a little extra on the side just in case I drop something. And I have the stainless steel 50 millimeter or 2-inch long ball head pins. I really like these head pins. They're rather long, but you know what? They're extremely useful, and I like them. The stainless steel one. And then we're going to do something really nice with this. I think I've done it before. And here we have, let me see, is it 6 inches? Let me bring it over here. A little bit before 6, 5 3/4 or something like that. So you know what? Let's just simply get started what we're going to do. So as you can see, I have already opened up these jump rings. So we are going to pick up, I didn't even tell you what these were, so sorry. These are pendants. These are green leaf pendants, and they are acrylic. And so we're going to add them onto our jump ring, and you can put it on with the design facing you, or you can turn it backwards. It's entirely up to you. And so what I really meant to do was I meant to take this and take the designing part, turn it over, and have the flat back here. And we are going to attach it to the dainty chain. What we're not going to do is that we're not going to add it on to the last link. We're going to leave the last link free. We're going to put it on the next link. And we're doing that for a reason. So we're just going to close it up quickly, lay it down. And we're going to go to our next one. Again, I'm doing it, the designer part in, the soft part back here. Let me pick this up. We're going to go above that to the next link, put it on, close it up. Try to close it up all the way. That's how we want it. I'm just going to keep holding this plier. I pick this up. You can see. Take the pendant, add it on. Very easy. Then again, we're going to go up to the next link. Oops. Make sure it's up. Ooh. I think I put it on. I did, but it didn't go up to the next link. It was the same link as one of the other pendants were on. So I'm going to take it off. There, it came off. All right. Let's see what we have. All right, remember that last link is free. Did I add them all together? Oh, no. Okay, good. All right. Going up to the next link. You're giving me a hard time. Attach already. Sorry. Let's close this up. This is relatively easy. I tried to make it as easy as possible, but then some of the designs that you come up with and some of the things you like to do, it appears easy, but they're not always easy. But you know, once you get the hang of it, it becomes easy for you. Like anything else, when you practice, you know it becomes easy. All right. So let's go. Remember, we're going above the link. Hold it carefully. Close it up. All right. We have two more. Here I'm taking the part with the design, the flat part, toward me. You see it smooth back here? All right, we're going up to the next link. Hold on. Let me hold it. Close it up. Try to make sure it meets, close as tightly as you can get it, not overlapping because you don't want your jewelry to fall off. Of course, no one likes that. Then I'm going to do the last one. Now remember, you have one link free. So you have, you can see, let me close it up so I can show you. Take your time. It's nice. So you have, let's see, let's put this down. If we did it correctly, we should have. All right. So you have that link free, nothing's on it, along with the last one. Oops, looks like I left one there, is it? Let's see. Let's skip one. Oh, I did, okay, so. I'm not, oh my goodness. I can't wait to see this video myself. When did this come off? Okay, maybe when I put it down it came off. I didn't notice it. See, that's why I said, all right, I heard the click. Pretty good. All right, that's what I wanted to hear. Okay, and there goes that free link. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to take that reamer, the reamer, and put it here. And we are going to take one that has already been put together. And we are going to attach it to our fish hook earring wire. I'm going to close it. You know I'm never satisfied with these. Hold on. Because I had already opened it. I'm going to bring this up a little. Then I'm going to close it. Got my nail caught in there, but it's closed. And you can see how this is assembled together. Looks very nice. I like it. Now we are going to take, I hold this in my hand. Then I'm going to find the last one. You know there's a better way to do this. I'm going to open it. You're going to, oops, hold on. Attach that there. Then we're going to get the last link, the dainty chain. Does not have a bead on it, and we're going to attach it on. Then we are going to close up our loop. All right. Make sure it looks nice. Take a look at it. Oh, it's perfect. Very nice. And it should come out like this. Should hang down. Should make the sounds. And I kind of like how it looks myself. Hold on for 1 second. Just want to put it on for you so you can get an idea what it looks like. There you go. And so quickly, let me just show you. Took the aluminum copper wire. I put it in. Took the round nose plier. I have them marked already. I know where I want it. And I just turned to the loop meant. Oh, the beads right there. Just bent it backward a little until it came down again. So you have your nice little loop. Then you can see that is here. Make sure nothing is sticking out. Roll it over. Roll it, bend it back. See, when I say bend it back, just tilt it back a little. And then just close up your hole. And you should have a nice little loop. And look at your bead. Let me try this again. Nope. I mean, you can open it if you want to with your round nose plier, because this is not very difficult. This particular wire is soft. All right, you're gonna open it. I'm gonna put this on. And you're gonna close it up. Now, ta-da! Yes, I did it correct this time. So it's hanging like that. Oops. It's hanging like that. We're gonna put this down. And I'll be right back.